Have you ever noticed that after that 4-cheese pizza, that big old bowl of cookies and cream ice cream, or that caramel latte with cold foam, you get the bubble guts and you're like, why is my gut doing this to me? Why is this making me feel this way? Even though it was so good eating it. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Sanaya and I am the holistic nutritionist that you have been waiting for all along. I am the founder of Self Love Foundation, an academy for whole food teaching and natural food healing. I help high achievers master their gut health without starvation using the garden method. What's the garden method? The garden method is simply eating from earth. We eat the nuts, the berries, the trees, the fruits, the roots, and everything in between. Yes, we do. And if you want to know how to grow your own garden in your backyard, no matter if you have a windowsill or acres of land, you could go ahead and start building that microbiome ecosystem from home. If you're interested, just go ahead and click the link down below and we can get you started. So let's go ahead and jump into this video. Dairy contains a natural sugar called lactose. And in order for lactose to be digested properly, you need the enzyme lactase. Lactase breaks down the lactose into smaller substances and smaller sugars that your body can absorb properly. But here's the interesting part. As people get older, we produce less lactase. So therefore, there's not the enzyme that is coming to us and breaking down the lactose properly. So with that being said, you start actually getting symptoms from the dairy being fermented inside of your gut. This could look like bloating, this could look like gas, this could look like the bubble gut, stomach cramping, diarrhea, nausea, all those horrific symptoms. And this is what we like to call lactose intolerance. So the problem isn't the dairy itself, it is the modern processed dairy. Yes, the dairy that is filled with extra fillers before it gets to the shelf. The dairy that's filled with the extra hormones before it gets to the shelf. Most dairy products are on a large scale farming system where the animals are raised in an environment that are totally different from the natural grazing condition. These animals may experience high stress level environments and they could be exposed to artificial hormones, antibiotic, grain heavy diet, or just confined living conditions. And sadly to say, it changes the natural structure of the milk proteins and the fats today. So by the time you consume the cheese, the milk, the ice cream, the creamers, and the flavored dairy product, is very different from the milk that was actually harvested that the humans historically consumed. For some people, most likely 90% of the people, dairy can contribute to things like increased inflammation in the gut, mucus production in the body, which is so huge. Mucus comes from dairy. Mucus comes from dairy. Mucus comes from dairy and sugar, but literally dairy. Irritation of the digestion tract and imbalances in the gut bacteria. So some actual signs that your body can be reacting to the dairy will be brain fog, skin breakout, sinus congestion, irregular digestion, and just heavy fatigue after meals. So does this mean that you should avoid dairy all in all? I will say make sure that you get your dairy from local dairy farms. There's a difference between getting your actual dairy from industrial farms and local high quality producing dairy. Just because local dairy farms spend more time on grazing on the natural diet, spending more time outdoors, and experience less stress. So just make sure that you listen to your gut. I know that the foods that we love could always bring enjoyment, like the pizza, the ice cream, the creamers, the coffees. Yes, it brings us comfort, but we have to be more intelligent with our gut and bring in that gut intelligence. Because when our gut microbiome is balanced, we make better decisions, have better energy levels, and live the best lives that we should be living on a daily. So if you like this video, I know it was short, give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what dairy does to your gut and if you have noticed these things recently or if you have noticed them anytime before. And don't forget to check out the links down below. We just launched our digital gut health garden guide and you will love it. This will get you started on making sure that you are protecting your gut microbiome and building that microbiome ecosystem from home. Don't forget to keep it light, keep it cute and full of fruit, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.